The BMW Concept X7 i-Performance was first seen at the Frankfurt Motor Show 2017. The production model set to make its debut in 2018. So let's have a closer look at this car. The new model concept has clear, vertical proportions, 23-inch wheel rims, 3 seat rows, and an exclusive experience available inside the car. Everything identifies the concept as an X model.
The BMW Concept X7 i-Performance stands for a new step in the field of luxury for the BMW brand. We already have a 7 Series sedan for a number of generations, and now we want to offer that type of roominess, that type of luxury in an SUV.
The striking exterior composed of intently focused lines combines a generously sized 6-person interior, all pared down to essentials.
This concept vehicle plays a big role also in the communication of our new design language for the BMW brand. We are introducing a form language that is cleaner, calmer, fewer lines, but the lines that we do have are very, very precise.
Take the kidney grille, for instance. Since the world premiere, people discuss this topic, not only online. So for sure, you will notice this car when it drives along the streets.
Well, in the exterior design of this vehicle, it's of course all about luxury and presence. So there's a very vertical gesture to this car, immediately visible in the shape of the BMW typical grille. The car has a lot of room, so we want to communicate that. And then all the details are actually done in a very modern, very precise way, like the very narrow headlamps and the even more narrow tail lamps. They actually also emphasize the width and the modernity in this vehicle.
Viewed from any angle, the interplay between a small number of precise lines and artfully sculpted surfaces sends out a charismatic statement of modernity, presence, and exclusivity. So what will the first ever BMW X7 look like? You will see it on the streets very soon, in 2018.